Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with informative content on health and nutrition. In today's video, we will be discussing the benefits of incorporating oats into your diet for weight loss. Oats are a versatile and nutritious grain that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. We will be sharing with you some delicious oats diet recipes that will not only help you shed those extra pounds, but also keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the day. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Before we dive into the recipes, let's talk about the numerous health benefits of oats. Oats are a great source of fiber, which can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods of time. They also contain a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Additionally, oats are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help support overall health and well-being. By incorporating oats into your diet, you can not only aid in weight loss, but also improve your overall health. Oats Diet Recipe 1. Overnight Oats. Our first recipe is for overnight oats, a delicious and convenient breakfast option that can be prepared the night before. To make overnight oats, simply combine half a cup of rolled oats with half a cup of almond milk or your preferred milk alternative in a mason jar or container. Add in a tablespoon of chia seeds for extra fiber and protein, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Give it a good stir, cover the jar, and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, top your oats with fresh fruit, nuts, or seeds for added texture and flavor. Overnight oats are not only delicious, but also a great way to start your day on a healthy note. Oats Diet Recipe 2. Oatmeal Porridge. Another classic oats diet recipe is oatmeal porridge, a warm and comforting dish that is perfect for cold mornings. To make oatmeal porridge, bring 1 cup of water or milk to a boil in a saucepan. Add in half a cup of rolled oats and stir well. Reduce heat and simmer for 5-10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the oats have thickened. You can customize your oatmeal porridge by adding in your favorite toppings such as cinnamon, nut butter, fresh fruit, or shredded coconut. Oatmeal porridge is a filling and nutritious breakfast option that will keep you full and satisfied until your next meal. Oats Diet Recipe 3. Oatmeal Smoothie. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to incorporate oats into your diet, try making an oatmeal smoothie. To make an oatmeal smoothie, simply blend together half a cup of rolled oats, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, a handful of spinach, and a tablespoon of nut butter until smooth and creamy. You can also add in other ingredients such as chia seeds, flax seeds, or protein powder for an extra nutritional boost. Oatmeal smoothies are a great way to pack in nutrients and fiber while on the go, making them an ideal option for busy mornings or post-workout fuel. Oats Diet Recipe 4. Oatmeal Energy Bites. For a satisfying and portable snack option, try making oatmeal energy bites. To make oatmeal energy bites, combine 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of nut butter, a 1/4 cup of honey, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a handful of dark chocolate chips in a mixing bowl. Mix well until all ingredients are evenly combined. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to set. Oatmeal energy bites are a great snack option to have on hand when you need a quick and healthy pick-me-up throughout the day. In conclusion, incorporating oats into your diet can be a delicious and effective way to support weight loss and overall health. Whether you enjoy them in your breakfast bowl, smoothie, or snack, oats are a versatile ingredient that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. We hope you found these oat diet recipes inspiring and that you give them a try in your own kitchen. Remember, making small and sustainable changes to your diet can lead to long-term success in achieving your weight loss goals. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. Stay healthy and happy.